Two islands, 4 nights each. From secluded beaches to bustling towns, we explored El Nido and Coron back to back to find out which destination is better for your next trip to the Philippines. So this is Christy.
And Andrew.
We're signing off from the Philippines. We did enjoy our holiday. There's some ups and downs.
Yeah, the ups and downs, but yeah, more ups than downs, I'd reckon. I quite enjoyed our Philippine holiday. Very nice, very spectacular.
Yeah. Here's what we loved, what didn't work, and ultimately, which island we recommend for future travellers. We started with 4 nights in El Nido, and that's where we made our first mistake. We booked a place that was overpriced, tiny, and too far from town because we thought the complimentary scooter would be great. Okay, so how tiny is our tiny budget room? That's our bed, and it's lovely. And we've got some hanging storage, and this is our safe. Okay, Andrew, can you take our safe? Okay, how safe is our safe?
I don't know, I reckon I could break into it.
Do you think you can break into it? What about the fact that you can take it away with you?
Well.
Okay, you're cute, but not so practical. Sorry. It was not peaceful, with building work next door and a school over the road, and it was far too isolated from town, over 10 minutes away. Not ideal when you want to grab a quick bite or explore. Halfway through, we moved to Los Cabanas, and it was a completely different experience with the restaurant and bars stretched along the strip. And a popular area called Vanilla Beach. So Los Cabanas is a place where everyone will head down so that they can watch the sunset kind of over the water. It's partly over islands and water, and it gets packed down the end. Lots of people get down here, and I think they get pretty sunburned waiting, trying to secure that perfect spot. And while that might be all happening up until sunset, it soon drops off and you have to head back to the busy highway if you want more variety and you don't want to eat at the expensive resort restaurants on the water. Our second mistake was thinking we could swim from our hotel on the water. Tour in El Nido met our expectations. It was relaxing in parts, adventurous in others, and had some great stops along the way after the Big Lagoon, Secret Beach, and finishing at Seven Commandos for a relax and fun on the sand. Oh my God, this is insane.
If you want to see our El Nido trip in full, subscribe as we take in more adventures and show you through our accommodation, and I get an $8 haircut.
Next stop, Coron. We took the fast ferry thinking we would see beautiful waters and islands, but this happened instead.
Feeling high, feeling low, it's a wild ride. Life's a roller coaster, we're taking it in stride. Ups and downs, twists and turns, we never know, but we're holding on tight, just enjoying the show.
We started in the thick of it, staying right in Coron town. It's lively, chaotic, full of character, and there are plenty of places to hear live music and eat. Okay, so we're in Sharky's Resto Bar, and this is a Bihon, it's an onion ring. Looks like a nice place, looks very much like a tiki bar somewhere in Florida, Miami, beach house. But it's noisy, really noisy. After a few days, we were ready to slow things down, so we escaped to Busuanga Bay. Complete peace and quiet. Pool on the water, and we just watched the boats come and go. Just what we needed to wind down at the end of our trip. While there, we encountered a big surprise. Look out for our video on Coron and the wreck we visited. Coron's boat tour included going to many more places, and they were all close together, meaning we were in the water a lot more. The water clarity was great in some places, but not so in others, but at least we didn't get eaten by sea lice like we did in El Nido.
So which is better? Here's how they stack up.
El Nido wins for sheer variety.
Coron, hands down.
Coron town is more central. El Nido's Las Cabanas is more laid back.
Better value for money in Coron and nicer amenities, but they don't have breakfast included in the room price like El Nido did.
Coolangatta Bay takes the crown and made the entire trip worth it.
Coron is more compact, and so there is no need to travel as much. El Nido was spread out, and so we had to hire a scooter. Honestly, it depends on what you're after. For adventure, wreck dives, and crystal clear lakes, go to Coron. For sunsets, island beaches, and laid-back vibes, go to El Nido, but stay near Las Cabanas.
If you have time, do both. That's what we did, and it gave us the perfect mix of chaos and calm. Let us know in the comments, El Nido or Coron, which one's calling your name?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full-length El Nido and Coron videos, plus some crazy stuff I got up to in Manila.